Today we learn a reptile's name in English, so let's start. This is Komodo dragon. Komodo dragon. This is king cobra. King cobra. This is black mamba. Black mamba. This is saltwater crocodile. Saltwater crocodile. This is Gila monster. Gila monster. This is leatherback sea turtle. Leatherback sea turtle. This is Nile crocodile. Nile crocodile. This is monitor lizard. Monitor lizard. This is green anaconda. Green anaconda. This is ball python. Ball python. This is green sea turtle. Green sea turtle. This is gecko. Gecko. This is blue iguana. Blue iguana. This is green iguana. Green iguana. This is flying snake. Flying snake. This is turtle. Turtle. This is crocodile. Crocodile. This is snake. Snake. This is lizard. Lizard. This is snail. Snail. This is alligator. Alligator. This is tortoise. Tortoise. This is chameleon. Chameleon. This is anaconda. Anaconda. This is rattlesnake. Rattlesnake. This is boa. Boa. This is black mamba. Black mamba. This is king cobra. King cobra. This is bearded dragon. Bearded dragon. This is python. This is Indian python. This is sea snake. Sea snake. This is western green mamba. Western green mamba. This is gharial. This is gharial. This is tiger snake. Tiger snake. This is Cuban crocodile. Cuban crocodile. This is gaboon viper. Gaboon viper. This is rock python. Rock python. This is Burmese python. Burmese python. This is indigo snake. Indigo snake. This is star tortoise. Star tortoise. This is Iceland pit viper. Iceland pit viper. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.